Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Capstone Quiz. So open the Capstone Quiz, click the start. So which warehouse currently has the most item in the stock? So which warehouse currently in the stock the most item in the stock? Which warehouse currently has the most item in the stock? So portal, they are both the same and Austrian. So correct the answer is portal, Portland, and click the next. And next is how many items in the Austrian inventory need to be orders. So how many items in the Austrians to inventory need to be orders? 4, 3, and 5. So correct answer is 3, and click on next. And next is what is the direct expenses for costed increase the percentage for the year 2019 through 2023. So what is the direct expenses for costed increase the percentage for the year 2019 through 2023? So correct answer is 0.025, 0.035, and last is 0.045. So correct answer is 0.035, and click on next. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is what do the spark line indicate about the New Mexico sales? So sale decreased, and next is sale decrease each quarter, and sale increase each quarter. So sale varied each quarter, both increasing and decreasing. So correct answer is sale increased each quarter. So sale increase each quarter, and so question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in what quarter did the front range action support incur the highest total direct expenses? So in what quarters the front range action supports incur to highest total direct expenses? Quarter 4, quarter 2, and quarter 3. So correct answer is quarter 4, and click the next. So question number 6 is which states has the highest percent of annual net sales? California, Washington, and Oregon. So which state has the highest percent of the annual net sales? Is correct answer is California, Washington, and Oregon is select the correct answer is Oregon. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the quiz. Is the last question is 10. So submit the quiz and click the submit. So confirmation, are you sure you want to submit your quiz assignments, and click the submit. So submit the assignment and check the score is 90%. So capstone quiz is current score is 90%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So you can see the current score is 90%.